Mint AI review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this new software launching today called Mint AI. And right now you are very fortunate to get a discount of $3. So you can note down this coupon code, or when you will try to leave the sales page for the first time, you will get this box. Otherwise you can write down this coupon code and you will get the $3 discount. Okay. Now we are back on the sales page, which is looking very attractive and fancy and sexy to me. Nice colors used. So it says somewhere right now, someone in your exact niche just typed one keyword and woke up to a course. Okay. So you will find the link to the sales page below my YouTube video in the description. And then you would be able to come to this page where I am at the moment. Okay. So the sales page, it's very attractive, I would say. And what the product is, we'll have to see the demo video for that, and then only you will understand. So the demo video is also available on the sales page. Okay. But before we proceed any further, because this software is about making videos. Okay. So I was watching this demo video. As you can see, it says AI product manager, AI product creator, stuff like that. Okay. So I also have this bonus which might suit you. So if you want to go and buy this product using my link, you will get this 2 hours of training program which you see on your screen right now. It's 2 hours 9 minutes long. In this video, in this training program, I will teach you how to do what I am doing right now, meaning that how to make these reviews on YouTube for free, exactly like me. And then if somebody will buy something from your YouTube video, you will make money. Okay. So in case you also want to make, YouTube reviews and you want to know how to start a YouTube channel, you're totally a newbie. Everything is covered inside this 2 hours of, 2 hours of training, which I am giving as a bonus if you go and buy Mint AI from my link below. Okay. Now let's play the demo video here, and I'll maximize it so you can see they're typing the prompt, I guess, in some AI tool. So this is ready live on your website. You see? So they typed something in the box and that went directly to the website on the domain, right? And you can add your domain. They really have some cool features. Everything at one place. You can also add payment gateways if you use Stripe or PayPal, I believe. You have AI content generator. You have product reviews and everything. So you know what? It will take 6 minutes for this demo video to run in complete mode. So what do? You click the first link below my YouTube video, then click on that, come to the sales page. And when you scroll the sales page, you will find this 6 minutes video, which you can go and watch in your free time. Okay. And do we have some frequently asked questions at the bottom? Maybe. Do I need some skills? Not really. Does create my product? Yes. Is there a monthly fee? No. What niches? Everything. So you can use this AI tool for your multi-purpose needs. Okay. So go and try this. And even if you don't want this tool, but if you want this training program in which you will learn how to do exactly what others are doing, on YouTube, how do they find these products which are launching every day, how to start a YouTube channel from the scratch, and how to make these reviews without even coming on the camera like me if you want to. So everything is included, okay, in this free training. So if you want to go and buy Mint AI, go and buy from my link, you will get this bonus. Otherwise, if you just want this training program, still go and buy Mint AI, and that's how you can get this free training program from my end as a bonus. I already have attached the link to this training program inside my affiliate link for Mint AI. Okay. And if you have any questions, I think below my review, you will find my email address as well. So that's it. Go and grab Mint AI. And there are some funnels as well. So you can get this in $15 to start with, I guess. Then you have some agency licenses, as you can see on the screen. So grab the copy and grab these upsells if you want. And along with that, you can go and get my free training program as well, how to do these reviews and how to make money on YouTube for free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.